Officer Collins, Hakim began, his voice measured, calm, yet filled with an undeniable strength. You've used your badge as a weapon. You've used your position of power to hurt, to humiliate, and to destroy. The people you victimized, they're not just numbers. They're real lives, real families. And today you will answer for that. Hakim's words struck Collins like a slap in the face. His smirk faltered just for a second, but in that moment, Hakim knew he had done more than just speak. He had exposed something in Collins, a crack in his armor. Your Honor, Collins sneered, trying to regain control. This is ridiculous. These people are lying. I've done nothing wrong. Hakim didn't respond immediately. He waited, letting the silence fill the room before slowly turning to the jury. This is about power and who wields it, he said. And I will not stand idly by while power is used to oppress. The courtroom was dead quiet, as if everyone was holding their breath, waiting for the inevitable. Hakim wasn't done. He wasn't just going to let Collins speak and walk away unscathed. Collins rose from his chair. He had enough. His voice grew louder as he took several steps toward the bench, his fists clenched. You're nothing but a token, Hakim. You don't belong here, Collins spat. They put you in this seat because of your skin, not because you earned it. You don't know what it's like to be a real officer, to be a man in this world. Hakim's eyes hardened as he stood. For a moment, the courtroom seemed to hold its breath, but Hakim wasn't afraid. He didn't flinch. No, Officer Collins, he replied, his voice cutting through the tension like a blade. You don't know what it's like to fight for justice, to face the system that's designed to keep people like me down. You may think you can control this room, but you're wrong. I'm in control here, and today, you will face the consequences of your actions. The room went silent. Even Collins seemed momentarily taken aback. But it wasn't just the words that hit home. It was the unshakable calm in Hakim's voice, the depth of experience that spoke in each sentence. Hakim had lived what Collins had only preached about. He had faced every obstacle, every injustice, and he was about to make sure Collins faced the truth. Hakim slammed his gavel down, signaling the end of the trial. But as he did, the courtroom doors burst open with the sound of protesters chanting from outside. Hakim's ally, activist Mariah Jenkins, entered, followed by dozens of passionate individuals, citizens who had been wronged, who had experienced the same cruelty Collins had inflicted. Their voices rose together, louder than any courtroom debate. Justice is coming, they shouted, their voices a powerful wave of hope and defiance. Hakim's eyes met Mariah's. They were ready. The world was watching. And Hakim was about to ensure that Collins faced the justice he so richly deserved. But the battle was far from over. If you're outraged by what you've heard and you want to follow the story all the way to the end, make sure to hit that subscribe button on Racism Exposed. The fight for justice doesn't end here. Join us